Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you where to find the add-ins in the new Outlook. Let me open my Outlook. And here in Outlook, I have a new email. I created a new email, and under the message tab, you will find the apps, this one here. So the name now is apps, and under it, you will have like a small title says add-in. And when you click on it, you will see the add-ins, and I have just one active add-in, and you have a search field here. But because I have just this one, so it doesn't make sense to search. So we can go also to get add-ins. And here we will have a new window, and in this new window, we will see a lot of add-ins that we can use or we can activate in our Outlook. By pressing on it, it's going to be active. So let me try this one and continue. So it's added now to my Outlook. This is the window, like explaining where to find the add-in or some information about it. Let me close it now. You can go to my add-ins, and here you can see all the active add-ins. And here we have stored, we have admin managed, and we have added by Microsoft. So we have three categories here, and we can also add a custom add-in. I don't have a custom add-in. I'm not sure what do they mean with this one, because I tried to add it, but they say add from from file. And yeah, I think if you program or buy a custom add-in for the new Outlook, you can add it using this tab here. And that's all about the new add-ins in the new Outlook. That's all about the new add-ins function in the new Outlook. If you have a question, leave a comment. I'll try my best to help you.